Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's a rapidly advancing field that is changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. In this video, we'll explore what AI is, how it works, and the different ways it's being used today. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. This can take many forms, from self-driving cars and voice assistants to robots that can perform complex tasks in factories and warehouses. One of the most common forms of AI that we interact with every day is voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. These programs use natural language processing to understand what we say and respond in a way that sounds like a real person. Another application of AI that is rapidly advancing is self-driving cars. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to navigate roads and make decisions in real time. Our health and fitness. Smartwatches and fitness trackers use machine learning to analyze data like heart rate and steps taken, and provide personalized insights and recommendations. Drones are another example of AI in action. These unmanned aerial vehicles can be programmed to fly autonomously and carry out a wide range of tasks, from surveying land and mapping terrain to delivering packages and even performing search and rescue operations. AI is also making its way into the healthcare industry. Robots can be used to perform surgeries with greater precision, while machine learning algorithms can help diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. Finally, AI is being used in the world of gaming to create more immersive and engaging experiences for players. Machine learning algorithms can be used to create smarter, more challenging opponents, while natural language processing can allow players to interact with game characters in a more natural way. These are just a few examples of the many ways that AI is changing the world around us. As this field continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. I'm sure you loved this AI video. For more videos on AI, please hit the like and subscription button. Thank you.